Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. After the struggle and the pain and the...
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Double back up and Adam on this bright early Sunday morning. Gonna go and get this video out of the way. I've been dropping all these different videos because we know it's almost about that time to go back to school. So it's a lot of little low on the low kind of heat out there. There's nobody, willing to try. So you know me, I'm trying to go against the grain or go against the wind. Let everybody know there's other heat out there that you may want to consider. This is one of the better shoes, I would think, for people who up on their feet all day, got flat feet like myself, and you're looking for a comfortable shoe for what I think is a decent price, kind of a rival to NMD and Ultra Boost. So the shoe like right on probably not Ultra Boost, but NMD's price point. And in connection with that, I like to welcome all of my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for leaving the comment suggestions in my previous videos. Feel the love. Like I said, I do respond to everybody's videos. Sometimes they get caught up, well, not videos or comments, sometimes they get caught up in this filter, so I had to go back and release them for whatever reason. I know YouTube is kind of funny like that. And if you want to hit me up on IG, E_money_shoes. I do have Twitter, and I will leave it in the description link below. I'm gonna try to build up my Twitter page. Now, without further ado, let's get into this review. By the way, you see this little thing here. Shout out to my guys at Flight 23 International Marketplace in Waikiki. They're always squaring your boy away. As you can see, the foot action sticker. These are the base shoes. I gotta grab mine today. Nike EXP-14 Special Edition, size 7.5, 130 them things. But you know me, Mr. Cheapskate. Can't do it. Got it half off. I just got lucky. Well, not lucky, but they had like their friends and family thing, which is finished yesterday, or like we say here on the island, did power yesterday. The official colorway is white, total orange, and black. On these, for me, I wear a 10, but I had to go up 10.5. But boy, are these things comfortable. Check it out. I can take both of the shoes out so you guys can get a full on view of the shoe. What's that inside? Let's see. So a little bit about this shoe. The EXP, believe it or not, stands for experiment, and the X-14 is the code for Nike and React. So this got React and I think Zoom Fly in this shoe, which is unbelievable technology. It's pretty good. So as you can see on the bottom, you got your orange, that total orange or hyper orange, whatever they call it. Then you got the black, and right here you got your groove. You got all of this like a mesh type material in your fly wire. And this is like stretchy material here with your Nike swoosh, black laces, nothing spectacular. Coming around on the side, you got more fly wire, and you got Nike EXP. I don't know what all these numbers here mean. I know right here, this is what from Fontaine, when he ran his mile, I think in 3 minutes and 54.6 seconds. Yep, that's the fastest mile time that was ran in these shoes. So yeah, and back here, like I said, you got that Zoom Fly material, and then like right in this middle, you have your React, and you got J14, 9, 11. So this kind of just part of the Just Do It pack. A lot of, I know I got a lot of those, but definitely I will be wearing these a lot. This would be go-to shoe to wear, because it is, like I said, in my opinion, it's a very comfortable shoe, especially for those of us, like I said, if you got flat feet or you gotta walk around a lot of standing on your feet. In my opinion, I think this is the shoe for you. And by the way, it is very, very light. Take a once over the other shoe, pretty much same thing. As you can see, you got the numbers inside of the shoe, all that flower. Like I said, this material is like a really light mesh material, but it's okay. So let me know what you think, family. What do you think? Is this a cop, a flop, or no look pass? Are you willing to try something at least once? And like I said, leave a comment suggestion below. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. And let me see, on a scale of my 1 to 5 meter, I rate this pretty high just because of the comfort, because I do see that as being a big factor in the shoe for me. So I give this a 4.5 out of 5. Let me know what do you think. Like I said, leave a comment suggestion below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. It's your boy E Double, and I'm out. Deuces.
Kona could get you rich. Let me go, gang. You already know I'm about to say, nigga. I'm always in the streets. I'm street, nigga. Like, fuck you.